Unit 18 is famous. Are you going to the new Teen Class movie tonight? I don't know. It looks kind of boring. Really? I think it looks quite interesting besides. Tim Cross is a famous actor. He may be famous, but I don't think he's a very good actor. He always just in the same sort of movie. He never does anything different. Well, at least you think he's good looking, right? No, not really. He always looks so sleepy, but most girls think he's handsome. Maybe that's why he's so famous. None of my friends think he's good looking at all. I used to like him a few years ago, but now I think he's not handsome at all. Hey, I just got a haircut to try to look more like him. Well, that explains why I don't like your new haircut.